And today we're gonna paint with bubbles. This is everything you will need. We're gonna start with our 2 cups warm water. To make the bubbles, you will add to your water 1/3 cup of clear soap. You will pour 1/2 Karo syrup. And now we mix. Now you will pour your solution into small cups. Blow our bubbles. This is what they should look like, and now we're going to set them aside for later. Ta-da! Look at how mine turned out. Ta-da! Subscribe to our channel and hit that bell. Bye-bye.